are catching the same fish.
Look at this. Be careful.
See? Yeah. Yeah, this one's going. This one's going. This is good.
Hey, that's not right.
Yeah? He's taking off again.
He doesn't like this boat business.
This fish is not done yet. No, he's...
But me also have something to say for you.
Nice fish. Big fish. Relax. Now just be patient. Pull him slowly. Pull him.
Like what?
Not.
Just pull him slowly. He's coming. Pull him. Pull him. Pull him. Pull him. Big fish. Big fish. Whoa. Way for him to escape. Definitely.
Oh, yes,
30 minutes or what?
That's a...
He's coming. Pull him.
Who's your daddy?
Who's your daddy now? Oh, Marman!
On?
Yeah, listen. Okay, let it down.
He does not want to come. Nice one. Yes, lift him up. There we go. Now you can see him on a big jig. Nice. Finally.
That's something
Like
different.
from 400.
Let's see what comes up.
Yeah, something
Deep down.
So that yellow rod is like 8
Man,
9
this thing is pulling hard, man.
This little rod, this feels like a Mickey Mouse rod. It's almost 2,000
fish.
with the reel. With the reel.
Not coming.
But my favorite was always that yellow one because it's light. Now I'm on this. Ah.
There you go.
On.
Fish on.
On.
Proper pull. Proper one. Good.
Ah, you want to clean those, yeah?
Ah, he's coming.
I don't know why not.
He's coming. He's coming.
No.
Ah, he's coming now. He's tired. No? Not yet.
Really?
Yeah, really?
Parasites?
Yeah, parasite on him. Coming from deep down. Well done. Good fish. Why are you sweating?
Oh, this is the fish.
Shaking the head violently. Oh, good luck.
Imagine if I didn't change the handle.
Everybody is there.
It's the only thing he's worrying about is the handle.
You want to take this plate here? No, I'm fine.
I could.
But I feel much more comfortable.
Yeah. And it's nothing else but useful.
See color?
No, but he's coming.
No, toso.
He's still along. long way down.
But like
I
this.
can see it. Huh?
Yeah, I can see also color coming.
It's tropical.
Yeah.
No.
No, I'm getting
I cannot tell you what fish it is, but it's not tropical.
you. Get. This one.
Coming up.
Yes, please. Nice. Finally. Okay, guys, one day jigging out in Sierra Leone. Nice amberjacks, around 15 kilos. Got a couple. It's a long ride, but it's worth it. Thanks, boys. Thanks for the support. See you soon.